am going on a trip to Amsterdam. I figured I'd share with you what I plan on packing for 1 week in Amsterdam. If you've never been to Amsterdam before, it's a beautiful place with canals and beautiful, beautiful buildings and a very rich history with some dark aspects to it. We plan on visiting the Anne Frank house, which will actually be my second time there. I've been to Amsterdam a couple times before. I have stayed at a hotel in Amsterdam. I have been to Amsterdam for a day trip. This time we are going to do something a little different and do an Airbnb. I'm going to show you, based on my previous experience in Amsterdam around the same type of year, what I plan to pack. I'm not like a crazy fashion guru. I'm like comfy, yet I want to kind of look nice, especially in Europe. I feel like every time I go to Europe, no matter what, I always feel like people are dressed up nicely. They present themselves really well, so I'm going to show you what my version of that is. I believe that Olivia, my brother's wife, will be making videos similar to this, so I will link her channel in the description if you want to check out what she's bringing. Unfortunately, we're not bringing you with cold, I know. This is a London Fog brand carry-on. It's a hard-sided case. I did get it on sale, but this is a really good brand for luggage. It had good reviews. They seem to last a long time, so that's what I went with. And then this is actually my camera bag. I will be bringing my camera with. I'm a photographer and I want to get some photos in Amsterdam. I will also have my tripod attached to the bottom of my camera bag, but I'm currently using my tripod for you guys. You're sitting on my tripod right now. My camera will be right here. I'm filming with it right now. I'll be bringing just one extra lens down here. I will have those two options. I have my camera charger. I have a water bottle in here. It's empty. I'm not gonna put a full water bottle in my camera bag. I like to bring an empty water bottle through security and then fill it up in the airport and have that for the long flight. I also like to just have a water bottle anytime I'm on vacation. I have a case. This actually is a waterproof case to go over my camera bag in case I need that. I have a couple lens cleaning things in here. I will also be putting my laptop in this backpack. I have a laptop space back here. This scarf, I just think this scarf is so pretty. It's kind of extra, but it can be a little bit chilly in Amsterdam year-round, honestly. Sometimes I like to just have a scarf that can go over my ears, can wrap in front of me, quite large, so I actually can use it almost as like a blanket on the airplane as well. I think it's super cozy. This is my main luggage. I'm not going to be checking a bag, and we are going to be there for 1 full week, so I have kind of a lot of clothes in here, and I try to pack versatile things that can be worn with other options, like a dress that I can wear as itself, but I can also put a sweater on and it looks like a sweater and skirt kind of situation. The outfit I'll be wearing on the airplane is a pair of gray leggings along with a red sweater. It's nothing like super cute. It's more of like a sporty, comfy look. That's what I'll be flying in. That's what I'll be showing up to Amsterdam in. It's not really the Amsterdam vibe, but I am a very strong supporter of dressing comfy as heck on an airplane. Cool. I have my toiletries. I have my makeup. This is like my all-in-one makeup kit by Saint that I actually got. Cory's sister like sells that makeup, so I love that.
Small toothbrush, lotion, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, makeup wipes, razor.
And that's everything in here. Pretty straightforward. I don't have like a crazy skincare regimen, so that's what I have for my toiletries. I also have a hairbrush and a lint roller. We use a lot of lint rollers around here because we have a dog and a cat, and I have a lot of black pants and leggings. I will be bringing a full-size lint roller. I have used travel-size lint rollers before, and they don't work. At least I haven't found one that works. So if you have a travel-size lint roller that works well, let me know. I have this green dress, which I'll be wearing with leggings and boots. I have 2 pairs of shoes I'm bringing. I have this Pendleton wool, very cute plaid, almost like jacket, sweater thing. Pendleton is a great brand, and when I found this at the thrift store, I had to get it. I think it's super cute, and it usually plaid kind of makes my outfits look more casual, but this dresses it up. I also have this top. I thrifted this as well. I think this is just super cute. It's kind of leisurely but cutesy. and can be worn a lot of different ways. I usually don't love like super flowy shirts on me, but for some reason I just think this one is amazing. I have this blue sweater, which is like basic and comfy, but also kind of cute. It's got some shoulder detail on it that I think just dresses it up a little bit, and I like how it fits. I don't have a lot of colors like this in my wardrobe. It's a turtleneck and it fits me super well, and I think it just looks cute with pants, with like black pants or jeans, or over the top of my black dress. So I can wear this a lot of different ways. It's versatile. The temperature in Amsterdam when we're gonna be there is gonna be like 45 to 55 degrees, so we do have to have warmish clothes. This is my black dress that definitely needs to be lint rolled. I think it's cute, it's simple, and it's a dress that you can put a sweater over, and then the bottom looks like a skirt. But you have stuff to do, buddy? When I pack luggage, I tend to put socks just kind of everywhere. When I put them in this little mesh container thing here, they tend to bulk up, and I think these just fit better if you just shove them all around, especially in like the nooks and crannies around your clothes. I have this long sleeve mock neck, not really a sweater, but more than just a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt. It's kind of warm, velvety material. I think it just looks nice with everything. It can kind of dress up whatever I'm wearing, or it can be worn casually. This is just a black tank top in case I need a black tank top to wear around the Airbnb. And then I just have a couple shirts that I can wear with anything. This is just a simple black shirt. Again, versatile, doesn't really get wrinkly. This tan shirt does kind of get wrinkly, so that's might have to be addressed when we get there. It does kind of make me look like I'm all one color, because my hair and my skin and the shirt are all kind of the same color. I probably would only wear this with black pants for the contrast. In here I just have bras, underwear, swimsuits. I have my rain jacket. This might not be in my bag. I might just be wearing it when I get to the airport, and it might just be on the airplane with me. When I get to Amsterdam, I'll probably want this out. I have these, and then one other pair of like short booty kind of boots. What are these called? The plug-in adapters for using plugins in Amsterdam. Sunglasses. Again, it's supposed to be kind of cloudy and rainy, but it's easy to pack them. Necklaces. Oh, I should show you these earrings. Cory and I actually made these earrings ourselves recently. So if you see me wearing these in Amsterdam, we worked really hard, and I think they're just super cute. I'll be bringing a swimsuit. We probably won't be swimming, but I always feel like whenever I go on a trip, I need to bring my swimsuit for some reason, so there it is.
These are my thermal black leggings. We will have black jeans, black yoga pants. These are probably more for just wearing around the hotel. I have one pair of blue jeans, one pair of green jeans.
Some different options, since I'm not like really crammed for space on this trip. So now you've seen my unpacked mess, as well as all of the clothes on me that I plan on bringing in different outfits. Let me know in the comments if you've been to Amsterdam, and if you have, what you recommend we do or see. This is way off brand for me. I usually make like camping videos and cabin videos, but I really like to make videos and share everything that I do. I just really love capturing these things and not only sharing them with you, but keeping them for myself to look back on in the future. I hope that whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening, that you're having a good one.